This is my 1999 Aliner, and I decided to replace the non-functioning AC. The AC blows hot air, and so I decided to try to replace it. I thought I could pull it out from the outside, but turns out it has to be pulled out from the inside because the inside is larger than the hole. I don't know if you can see that. The inside's larger than the hole, so it has to come out from the inside. So to get it out, I had to take the cabinetry out. Pretty much had to take the cabinetry out anyway because I planned to redo the flooring as well. And so that's where I'm at. We'll see how it goes. I was able to get the AC unit out. More difficult than I expected because it was basically glued in with all of the silicone caulking. And it also has this lip at the bottom, so it kind of slides in from the inside, sits on this lip, and kind of comes in this direction. So there's the opening for the new AC unit. I got the air conditioner in, and I've you know, the only air conditioner that I could find that had top controls as well as small enough to fit inside was an LG. And so I got an LG air conditioner. So I had to fill in the gap on the top with some wood, and on this side with some wood as well. And then I caulked it all the way around so that no hot air would blow back in to the inside of the trailer. It's not a beautiful caulk job, but it should do the job, and I'll paint it up and make it look a little bit better. But basically that's it. I think it's a 5,000 BTU LG, and I'll actually go and show you the brochure on it. But it's in, and I've tested it, and it works, so I'm pretty happy with it. There is another video on YouTube that somebody did the same unit, but they brought it in from the outside in, and that seemed to work well for them, but they're really designed to go from the inside out. And so that's what I did. And so to do that, I actually bent these tabs right here down so that they would fit against the lip of the trailer, and I screwed them in place there. And then I also turned this bracket that comes with the unit, I turned it around so that I could screw it into this piece of wood that I put up here. So sorry I didn't show you that in process, but that's what I did, and it worked really well to secure the unit in place properly. So I'll show you the brochure. This is the brochure. Unfortunately, I went to the river this morning, and it got wet. But you can see it says models LW5016. So I guess that is the model basically, and it's an LG 5000 BTU. Good luck.